Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 1 with the kit. So let's get started. I need the leaf and I need the greeting to a wonderful friend. I've got my beautiful die cut here. I've got my card base and I've got my greeting die cut here. I've got my sequins. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing they want us to do is to stamp some leaves. We're going to do 2 up here and 1 down here. So let's do that. So we've got a pretty peacock. Let's make sure we've got good coverage on there. And we're going to stamp this one down here like this. Okay, and then we're going to come in again up top like this and like this. Okay, and now we're going to stamp our greeting. I have pulled in a piece of pretty peacock cardstock just so we can see what we're doing. Sometimes the white against white isn't that easy to see. So let's pop that down like that. Make sure we're straight. And we're going to pop this greeting down right in the middle here. Like that. There we go. Nice. Perfectly in the middle. Okay, so we're just going to pop that off to the side for a minute. And we need to put adhesive dots all over this die cut here. So let's turn it around so we've got it the way it is on the card, and we're just, or on the instructions, and we're just going to pop those adhesive dots down. So lots of this video is going to be me putting adhesive dots down. So with the adhesive dots, the nice thing is if they do kind of overlap the edge at all, you can easily just roll them back onto themselves. That one I'll need to roll onto itself. So we're just following the instructions. Wherever there is a dark dot is where we're putting down our adhesive dots. And one more right there. Okay, so now I'm going to peel these off. Oop. So I'm going to do this, and we're going to peel off all of these backings. So I've said it before, but half my videos quite often are me peeling the backings off things. So let's just work our way around this and peel the backings off. Like you see, this one, we're just going to roll it onto itself a little bit because it was a little bit over the edge. And we'll just keep going round and round. And here we go. So we have new subscribers again from last week. So thank you all. Hopefully you are enjoying the videos that you see. And if you have any ideas for videos that you want to see, whether it's product or type of video, please feel free to reach out and let me know. So this is going to go on like this. These 2 leaves go down here. And so we are going to pop this down so that it lines up. I think the easiest way to line this up is try and line it up with the leaves. So there we go. Let's just pop our pieces down. And there we go. Okay. And now we're going to take our, oh, I've got a, there we go. Okay, we're going to take our greeting and we need to put dimensionals on the back of the greeting, and it calls for 3 of them. So we're going to pop 1, 2, and 3. And again, peeling backings. So, and And we're going to pop this down right up here like this. So to a wonderful friend. Okay, and then we're going to take one large sequin. And this is where I need to look at this really closely. So a large sequin here, small one here, and small one here. Okay, so we're going to put a large sequin right there and a small sequin just above it right there, and another small one down there like that. So that is our first card in the June 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Full of Charm. Say stay tuned for project number 2.